I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but it is Baltic, folks. It is so cold. Oh, goodness me. Right, so good afternoon, everybody. We're on Monday now, and we're down here at the Montrose Basin. We've got in the car, we've driven. Roads are a nightmare, folks. Not so much with snow and ice, but potholes. This weather has left the roads in an awful state. It's terrible. So you just got to be careful. But there's lots of snow piled up at the side of the roads at certain points, at the highest points. But apart from that, you'd never know it's been snowing. Well, you would, but there's not much about it. But it's gone from -6 yesterday to a still and tropical, yes, tropical 7 degrees today. What's that, an 11 degree swing in the state of a day? Should have put my shorts on. But listen, it's so still here today. So just back having a different kind of walk. I've not walked for a while, like a long walk. So I'm just going to have a big long walk around the basin and around the beach, and just to get my legs stretched today. Get back to some semi-normality, which would be nice. That's what it was a couple of weeks ago across there on in Ferry Den, on that wet little walk that I did. There's the wee car park over there. The sand here today is really deep. Gone from deep snow to deep sand today. I just can't believe the difference in a couple of days. Well, the whole of Scotland was an icy Arctic blast to this. Amazing. Typical Scottish weather. Who used to say by the weekend we're sitting out in the sun in shorts? You know what I bet on? Nah. So, no seals so far today, yet. Right, there it goes, folks. Let's see where that one's getting off to. What are you looking at? Boat app like a loser and see what that's going to. This forecast is for it to go down to Hull, which is a big fishing area there. It must be going across to Scandinavia. There's the pilot boat going out, which means there's probably another boat lurking to come in. There's one way out there on the horizon. I get so agitated with people at the minute, and I don't know what it is. There's a man on the beach here, and he's really annoying me just because he's there and he's going slow and it's like he's following me, and it's just annoying me. I think it's lack of sleep, folks. I think it's lack of sleep. You need to get more sleep. I'm only averaging about 6 hours a day at the minute, and you're meant to get about 7 or 8, so I think I'm going to try and get a new sleep pattern because I'm getting grumpy and people just annoy me just for being there. I think it's the pandemic, it's the lockdown effect. Get out of my way. Just stop annoying me. Honestly. So, there's the original boat that we just saw, folks. And there is the pilot boat. And as I thought, that big boat that was sitting on the horizon is coming in. I'll not get to see it close up, because I'm further along the coast now, but there it is. One in, one out. So welcome to Tuesday, folks. It's Tuesday afternoon, down at the Deals Heath. It's been a while since I've been down here. Didn't think I'd be down here this week. Glorious day again. It's 9 degrees today, a bit windy and a bit chilly though, but it's 9 degrees, the temperature's going up. Just as I say that, the sun's going away. But down here, you can actually hear the waves coming in, and boom, every so often when the waves hit. This is low tide, so imagine what it would have been like at high tide. It's just calmed a bit at the moment, but you'll see a big boom in a second. It seems to be every third or fourth wave. We'll go a bit closer. I'll try and walk around there just to get a little bit closer. closer, little bit closer. What song's that? Is it Neo, Drake, Derulo? So I had no real plan today. Just one of those days we just kind of one of those days where you just go out walking. So I could have driven somewhere today, but I just kind of came down here, just local. Yeah, I actually had a long lie this morning because I was tired, so just had a wee bit of a snooze and then just come down here this afternoon. So it's nice. So glad the weather's better today. Makes such a big difference. Well, I've just come down, just climbed down that bit there, which is fine coming down, but going up will be yeah, a bit of a slippy one. There's a lot of water coming down from that pipe. So there is a cave, I think, just hidden in there, which we'll go and have a look at. Right, here we go, folks. We're going right to the top of the cave. You can hear the water at the top here. It's pitch black. I don't have a torch with me, apart from my phone. Right, this is right at the top of the cave, folks. It's a little kind of well. Quite cool. Right, it's got to be done. Space! Right, so that was the well at the top of the cave, folks. Awesome cave this. It goes in quite far, as I said. You can see it behind me there. Right, hope the tide's not coming too far, otherwise I'll be stuck. So who would have thought this time last week, the freezing snow, ice, minus 16, and then today, sitting on the beach in the sun. Do you think any other country in the world's got a climate like Scotland? Probably not. Amazing views from here though. Lovely just sitting out, watching the seas. That was so nice just sitting there. Lovely spot just to sit and chill. Again, what was missing? My flask. It's in the car. So, going to climb up the muddy bit and along to the next bay, which is the Castle Hoch, or Carlin Hoch Bay. Don't always get it wrong. It's called the Flares, basically. The Flares. Okay, so what can we see? You can see a couple of people way at the top, beside the dark and light cave. I can see my lockdown bench over there, where I have my flask. Just there. Look at this, folks. What better view could you want? right on our doorstep. You know, shouldn't really complain. Stunning. I've been coming down here, what, 20 years, 25 years? And I still think it's stunning. Especially on a day like today. Maybe when it's howling hooly, not so nice, but seeing all different weather types, and it's still one of the best views on the coast.